Look at, I think you see one over there too. See there's the little baby. No, the littlest one is in the hole of the nest box. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and look at, I think in there you see another little baby. Aren't they precious? This is the first time that they're all out. I think they're all out. Let's see, 1. There's a little head in there somewhere. Come on out, peek back out. Not in there, she was hiding. There it is. 1, 2, 3. Right there. Isn't that precious? And I'm not sure, but I think this is Mommy and Daddy. Mommy and Daddy. So we'll go in now and see if the baby's in the hole. Looking at these guys. Let's see, let's go this way. Amazing. I think this is recording. They're playing with one another. That's the way they court. This is Greta and Valentino. Greta and Valentino. Yes. They got a nice big tootie-dootie out there. You can't see. They go through their window. I guess you can't see their cage. Is Butter. And see, look at, she went in. Look at there. He made her go in. What do you think of that? So it won't in there. Yes, I see ya. Isn't that precious? Butter says, I'm in love. Damayo says, I'm in love. Well, he finally shut up. That's a sweet little Morse code. I'm a happy camper, Mama. So Butters is teaching Damayo how to fly. It's amazing. So she very well, I don't know the situation because what she's just turned 2. She's going on her 2nd year. So 1 full year. No, she's going on her 3rd year. I'll have to look. But she's happy. So is he. And here's these guys. Those 3 here together. I mean, I can't split them up. They escape and get back together. All 3 of them. Don't understand that. Look at this. I mean, from what I understand, I gather that they're clan. They brought in the new female, which is Abby. And, I mean, they're all 3 together. They eat together, sleep together. I don't know what's going to happen when they go to the nest. And I don't even know which one to pull because I don't know which one is doing the work. Amazing. These are my 2 hillbillies. They'll tear the cage apart, but they won't escape. They love it. Don't you, sweetie? See, they go through there. You can't see, but they go through their little window there outside. Whoops. Okay. All right. All right. And what is she doing? See? This is Damayo and Butters. They're eating together. I think he's happy.